Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to design a spur gear using Solidworks. So let's start our video. First of all, open a new part file and then change its background into plain white. Also change the IP system into MMGS system. Now go to sketch and select the right plane. Now draw a circle, go to smart dimension and diameter is 32 mm. Now exit the smart dimension, go to features, extrude boss base, go to mid plane and type here 15 mm. Click OK. Now Control 7. This is isometric view. Now go to sketch and select the front face. Now draw a circle from the center. Let me check the center. Again draw a circle. Go to smart dimension and the diameter is 10 mm. Now draw a center rectangle right from the top of the origin like this. This is the point. Draw a center rectangle. Go to smart dimension. The width is 2 mm and the length or height is also 2 mm. Now select trim entities and see. Now click OK. Now go to features, extruded cut and select through all. Click OK. Now go to sketch and select this front face. First go to sketch and then front face. Okay, now draw two random circles and then we will give diameters by using smart dimension. Okay, the outer circle has a diameter of 25 mm. And the inner circle has a diameter of 15 mm. Okay, now click OK. Now go to features and extruded cut and here select blind, type 3 mm and click OK. See, a cut is made. Also, we want the same cut on the back side, so we will choose the mirror command. First of all, the front face. Now, choose the mirror command. Choose here right plane and features to mirror. Here you have to select this surface. Okay, mine has already selected, so you have to click on the surface. Now click OK. See, the same cut is on now on the back side. Okay, now we want to make the teeth, so we will use extrude cut command to remove some material on the surface of the body. Okay, for this purpose, go to sketch and select the front face. Now insert one vertical one vertical center line like this. Okay. Also one horizontal line like this. Now go to smart dimensions. The length of this line is 0.5 mm at 0.5 and enter. Okay. And also the distance of this point from the origin is 13.6 mm. Okay. Now go to 3-point arc and draw an arc. Go to smart dimension. From this point to this point, type 1.58 mm, and from this point to this point, the vertical distance is 3.28 mm. Also, the radius of this arc is 4.56 mm. Now we want the same entities on the left side. For this purpose, we will choose mirror entities. Select these both entities. See, these two are selected and mirror about the center line. This is the center line. See the yellow interface. Okay, now click OK. Now we will choose 3-point arc and close our surface like this. Go to smart dimension. The radius is 18 mm. Now we want to fillet these two corners, so go to fillet. Type here 0.3 mm and select this corner and yes. Also this corner and select yes. Okay. Now go to features, extrude cut, select here through all. Okay. Now Control 7. This is our isometric view. Now we want 30 such patterns on the whole surface. So first of all, select cut extrude 5 and then circular pattern and then type here 30 and we will use this surface. Now okay. This is our part. Now for the appearance, select the whole part. Go to appearance. Select here metal and then nickel and select here sand blasted nickel. This is our final part. Control 7. Okay, now this is our isometric view. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel mechanical.com. Thank you.